Hello, fragrance specialists! My name is Chance, welcome to my guide, and thank you so much for taking another look at one of our essential oil breakdowns. Today we're going to be breaking down Red Mandarin, which is one of the many different oranges that are involved in aromatherapy. I feel like virtually all rind-based citrus fruits are in aromatherapy in one form or fashion, and this is certainly no exception. Now, before you dive into its profile, always consult your doctor before use. I know it kind of gets repetitive after a while, but gotta say it with every video, so I do apologize. But with that out of the way, now we can get to the fun stuff and check out its profile. The scent is most commonly described as being sweet, citrusy, fruity, and slightly floral. Its uses are acne, dull skin, insomnia, oily skin, scars, spots, stress, and wrinkles. Its method of extraction is the cold pressed, which isn't too surprising given that almost every rind-based oil has that main method of extraction, and it blends well with bergamot, pink grapefruit, jasmine, lavender, lemon, orange, rose, and sandalwood. And under notes, you'll see just always apply with a carrier oil, which is ultimately a means of dilution, and as always at higher concentrations, essential oils can be irritants, so makes sense. Now let's take a look at the history of the Red Mandarin. Also called the temple orange, its thick rind is easy to peel, and its bright orange pulp is sour, sweet, and full flavored. The Red Mandarin is a citrus fruit hybrid of the Mandarin orange and the sweet orange. Clinically, the most distinctive feature of this variety is its very high heat requirement for the attainment of horticultural maturity and good quality, for which reason it is the latest ripening of the mandarins. Very interesting stuff, and strangely enough, despite the fact that the fruit itself is so high maintenance, it is still a relatively low cost oil, coming in at around $25 or so it is quite nice. Now let's take a quick look at a recipe. This is a laundry blend. This is the first time we've done really anything requiring cloves, so it's pretty cool. It is 3 drops cinnamon bark, 3 drops clove bud, and 5 drops red mandarin. Now you can mix it into dye-free detergent, or you can put it on a cotton cloth and add it to a dryer sheet. Very cool stuff. Now, if you have any thoughts, questions, comments, or concerns about Red Mandarin, please do comment down beneath, along with any recipes you may have. And if you'd like to add it to your collection or restock if you're running low, I strongly suggest using Rocky Mountain oils. They really do help out the channel, and they provide a great service as well. Now, outside of that, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and as always, may all of your future endeavors smell divine.